The onions are cooking. That means we're ready to go.
We're gonna make Persian soup, soup de joe. We got the, oh, hold on really fast. We got one more ingredient. We need the milk.
We need the milk.
Because it's a cream based.
Yeah, it's higher protein. You need to get this milk from Target and Whole Foods. It's high in protein. Here it says higher in protein.
That's right. So in this Persian soup, soup de joe, we got the onion cookie. We're gonna add the carrot. Then we're gonna add the bone broth. And then we're adding the buckwheat. Buckwheat's one of my favorite carbohydrate, because it's higher in protein, but all of the micronutrients in
Made
here.
at Florida and bring that at Chicago with the railway airplane here.
Buckwheat, listen to this, magnesium, 20% daily value, zinc, and super high in B vitamins. B1, B9, got the folate in there, but 1/4 cup is 5 grams of protein. We're gonna add 1 cup to the soup. Okay.
Now we are ready to go. Okay, now guys, we're going to add the carrots. Oh, this will be so Persian.
Now it's time to add our bone broth.
Add it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Now it's time to bone broth.
Now it's time to add the buckwheat.
To add a buckwheat.
Nice, pour. Stir it, stir it.
Stir it.
Buckwheat, and now 2 cups of water. Careful, it's hot, I'll do it.
Two. You have to do 2 steps of boiling water. What do you do now?
Now we gotta cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. Okay?
Okay, we're going to make another video soon. Now, goodbye. Mwah! Okay, everyone. I'll come back in my video. Today, now we are going to add the chicken.
Low. See? Good. Perfect.
Okay. You have to, with your kids, stir with this Persian soup. It's so chickeny.
Good job. Great job. Okay. Now it's time to add the parsley.
I have to do it myself.
Nice. Good job. Great job.
Do
Now,
kids like Persian soup, yes or no? Oh, yes and no? Oh, that's amazing. Now 2 cups of milk.
go. Nicely done.
2 scoops of milk. Now was buckwheat the cream milk or regular milk?
Look at that. Garnishment.
These are the new Shadon.
Thank you. Oh, look at that. Yummy.
Blow.
Tell them how good is this, you try it.
Wow, that's so good. Good job.